Experiment number 9, we have to study about the drug information storage and retrieval using MX-Axis. This experiment is also related with experiment number 5, that is patient drug information database using MX-Axis. We have to understand what are the benefits of using of queries. In that first, view the data only from the field you are interested in viewing. When you open a tab, you see all the fields. A query is a handy way to save a selection of field. In that first, view data only from the field you are interested in viewing. When you open a tab, you see all the fields. A query is a handy way to save a selection of field. Combine data from several data sources. A table usually only displays data that is stored. A query lets you pick and choose fields from various sources and specify how the information should be combined. Use expression as fields. For example, you could use the data function as a field, or you could use the format function with a field to control the way the data from the field is formatted in the query result. Now we are in MX-Axis. So already you know this MX-Axis because in the fifth experiment we have learned about MX-Axis and how. Now, this was the some 5 entries that I have made of patients. So, in this experiment, we have to select some specific data, and according to that specific data, whether we have to make it in ascending order or in descending order, or we have to sort in any way. So, only that particular field we will require. Suppose we want like which are the counseling doctors, just we want this field. We don't want the name of the patient, or we don't want the ID number, or there is no need of the address, or we just want only which are the male patient or which are the female patient, or we want the date of the birth. According to the date of the birth we have to add in the data. So these are the some examples what kind of data we want. We don't want whole things for further purpose, just we want some selected columns for further purpose. So for this purpose, now patient information already we have done in this fifth experiment. So this data is it now ready. If you are not having the data, first make the data. You can make the data according to the fifth experiment. Now what we have to do, we have to come in the menu table, main menu. So there you can see create, and in this create here we are having query wizard, so which helps you to create a simple query and find a duplicate query or find unmatched query. So just click on it. When you click on it, so this window will appear. So there is no, or we are going for only a simple query wizard. So for counseling doctor, select the field and click on this tab. After that, I want the patient first name. So I will click on the patient first name. After that, last name and middle name of the patient. So as you want it, now click on the next. See here, modify the query design and open the query or to view information. So click on if you need to modify. If you can also modify it, you can also modify. Just I will show. Now you can see the only counseling doctor. So we I have select that firstly counseling doctor, and after that these are the name of the patient Yadnish Rao Vijay. So by this way, limited data for the patient information query or query wizard, it works for unlimited data. We does not require whole data often. Patient we will have just a simple data. We don't want and whole data like what is his address or what is his GP code. So just to whatever the specific data we want, we can do by with the help of this experiment. So this is how you can finish the experiment. Thank you.